how to buy an Amazon store in the kind of right and safe and way.
Yeah, so before you're looking to buy an account, first thing that we always say that must be done is you need to take a look at the account. Usually you do it via screen sharing, where you just go over all the account details, make sure that what you've been told is the actual state of the account. Sometimes someone might advertise an account with certain details, and you come to find out that it's not really true. So you need to make sure yourself and check the account before you buy it. And this is the first step. After that, you need to make sure that the account is able to list the products that you want to sell. For example, if you're selling a certain brand or a certain ASIN in a certain category, then you need to make sure that the account is able to list those brands and ASINs. Otherwise, you will just have nothing to do with it. Sometimes certain brands and ASINs can be ungated, even if it's not able to list right now. But important to make sure of this. The last thing is just to understand how Amazon seller accounts work. A lot of people are selling on Amazon for years, but they don't really know how to navigate the Seller Central and to look at all the important information. So, investigate a little bit, take a look of the account, to make sure what are the data that you need to look for in the Seller Central in order to check the account. And this is what you need to do before you buy any account or business. Of course, it will be much more due diligence, but this is for an account.